welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a long time since I sat down and filmed and updated you guys. A lot has happened. My husband and I traveled the world on his clinicals, which was super fun. He graduated his Doctor of Physical Therapy program. We moved to a new state where he accepted a job, and we live in a cute little house that we're renting, and we're settling slowly but surely. Now, I have loved decorating our home, and I have loved making it our own and finding amazing things on a budget and stretching our money as far as we can so that we can put our money in other places. But we wanted our home to feel inviting and a place that people enjoyed to come if they were to come over. I'm not one to openly share my home on the internet because I feel like the internet is a place that people can eat you up and spit you out kind of thing, or they can really embrace you and love you and just be warm and welcoming. Now, I wasn't going to do a room tour or a house tour, but I love the way that our home and our room turned out. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and a very big open kitchen and family room. So I will be showing you a few rooms in other videos, but today I'm going to show you our bedroom. I want to show you that you can make your home a home and feel like home on a budget, and you don't have to spend tons and tons of money. If you guys would like to see videos on decorating on a budget, where to shop for cute things for your home on a budget, awesome back to school videos, awesome dorm decor, DIYs, let me know down in the comments below. I can't wait to get back and in a routine and pumping out awesome content for you guys. So let me know what you'd like to see, and let's get started. So when you first walk in, you see this door. It's actually the door to our bathroom, and I'll show you our bathroom and also our closet in another video. This picture makes my heart flutter every time I see it. This picture is a piece that brought our whole room together. It was just the perfect addition. I bought a Groupon on Groupon.com and then used it on CanvasOnDemand.com, I believe. It's a great way to save some money and to bring a personalized element into your home. And there's nothing sweeter than family pictures scattered throughout a house. I feel like it just brings the whole thing together and brings a personalized feeling and a cozy feeling into a house or a room. My cousin actually took our pictures, our bridals and engagements, and I still love them at about 8 years later. And I still fall in love with my husband every single day. And that's important in a relationship. Now I'll kind of show you just this scan of the room. You can see our neighbor's stuff in his driveway and our lovely trash can outside. But here's this. I wanted the natural light to come in so you can see things a little bit better rather than having fluorescent lights on. So our nightstands, I actually painted them. They're the Rast brand from Ikea. The knobs were supposed to be real wood, and they are, but when we were putting it together, they broke. So we had to go in and they gave us knobs that were a step up. And they're black and kind of like a plasticky metal. Kind of weird to describe, but they're pretty. This little his sign, I have a hers on my side, actually came from my mom as a wedding gift when we got married. That little plant right there came from TJ Maxx or Marshall's for like $4. These little lamps, I don't really know where they came from, but my sweet little grandma Ruby, she died when we were in New York City, and that was really hard to kind of go through because I couldn't go back for her funeral or really say goodbye to her. But when I'm at home after graduation, they were still cleaning out her house. They're getting ready to sell her home, and so I wanted to see if there was anything I could use or wanted just to remember her by, because they were just taking a lot of stuff and donating it. And these were lamps that I could use for a really long time and are timeless and really pretty. And so every time I think of my grandma Ruby, I see my lamps and I just light up because I just miss her and love her so much. this piece above our headboard it's kind of like a wrought iron style. It came from Hobby Lobby and I bought it on sale for half off. If you are around a Hobby Lobby, it's a great way to stretch your budget and buy really cute home things. And they have an arrangement of things from scrapbooking stuff to jewelry supplies to fabric. I mean, everything you could kind of imagine. And they rotate sales, so every week something else is half off. And if you are in the store and things aren't half off, you can use your 40% off coupon on one item, and it's one per customer. So if you have a family of 7, every one of you could use a coupon. So that's a great way to stretch your budget. Our bed is from Ashley Home Furnishings and I love it. It's kind of distressed and I love that it's cream and not black or brown. We needed another bed when we were moving to Missouri, so we bought this and took the bed we had when we first got married and moved it to the spare room so that when people came to visit that they could stay there. My bedding is something I love and goes perfectly with our bed. I bought it at Ross, so I'll try to find the brand and link it down below for you guys. But I've never loved my bedding as much as I do right now. I think my whole set was like $30 or $40, which is super cheap for bedding because bedding can be so expensive. Even at Walmart anymore, it's crazy. And the quality isn't always that great. But it came with the shams, I believe is what they're called, and this pillow, and then the bedding. The coral pillows are also from Ross. I think I paid like $15 for them. I'll get up close, but I love them because you can see this kind of fun little detail, which I feel like brings out the colors, the browns and the grays in this bedding. Now, here's another budget-friendly tip to save some money. With all the bedding that we've bought over the years, we had some small pillows that didn't match anything that we had, but I wanted to recover the pillows. So the brown pillows that you see that have this decor on them, these are actually pillow covers from Hobby Lobby, and they go on sale, so they're half off. And I think I seriously paid $4 per pillow. So not bad because you can always repurpose pillows. Now on this side of the room, this is mine. So that cute little pineapple, it's actually a cute little candle. I'll try to show you, and it smells amazing. I wish you could smell it. I don't want to burn it because it smells so pretty. But that came from Marshall's. That diffuser is from Amazon. I'll try to link it down below. That little elephant holder holds my jewelry by my bed, my wedding ring. I should be wearing that, but I wanted to film and totally spaced putting it on first thing in the morning because I was getting other things ready. But that little thing came from Vanity. Vanity is a clothing store that closed a while ago and they were running amazing deals. So that little thing was like $1 and I popped on it. This sign was something my mama made when we got married, and it says, 2 people, Jess and Lacey, one day, March 19th, 2011, together forever. And I love that in our room because it just reminds me that love is real and it does last, and marriage is a work in progress every single day. So I'm sorry you can kind of see all the dead plants outside from our neighbor, but I love our curtains. They're actually from Ikea. They're like $7. They're the Vivans, I think. I'll see if I can link them down below. And the rod actually is from Walmart for like $7. So I think it really pulls it together, and then I just tie it with a bow of ribbon. Oh, I forgot to show you this little rose. Actually, you can see our garbage can. Sorry guys, that's really kind of the only place you can put it. This rose in the little bottle by it actually came from Magnolia from the Fixer Upper from Joanna Gaines, if I have any Joanna Gaines fans. We went and saw her little store and the silos when we were in Texas. We had a rotation in Texas, so we drove and saw it, and that's what I bought to remember that part of our journey on. You can kind of, hi guys. This is part of the rental. I mean, it's pretty good for rental. I'm not complaining. And it's hot where we live, so we use the fan a lot. This mirror actually stands. You can see it in the back. But mirrors are expensive. And they add up and sometimes they're cheap and they break super easy. But this bad boy is from Ross. I paid $30 for it and we love it because you can stand in front of it and see your whole outfit and it's awesome. This crate actually holds our blankets because sometimes it's too hot to use a full-on comforter or a full-on blanket, and so these blankets are from Groupon. I'll try to link them down below. The crate I painted, I bought it from like Walmart, I think, or Michael's, and you can use coupons at Michael's also, and it's a great way to save money there and have a place to display cute things or pillows or extra things like that. This cube organizer is actually from Ikea, and the boxes are also from Ikea. We wanted something long, but we didn't want to spend tons and tons of money on something that we may not be able to use when we move into a home. And I feel like you can always use these cube things because they're awesome for organization and you can shift them and use them as cute shelves or whatever. So I think it's like $68, and these little boxes right here are like $5 a piece, and they're micro suede-ish-esque. The thing I hate about them is the black. You like touch them and you can see if you have any dirt on your hands, and I don't like that because they look dirty. But they're a great way to save money, and you can always upgrade later on things. You don't have to fork all your budget out right at the beginning. These, I don't even know what you call them. They're not candle holders. They're just cute decor pieces. I bought them from Hobby Lobby when they were doing like 90% off. They were left behind, and so I got them for like $5. This salt lamp is a gift. I got it from my brother-in-law for Christmas. I believe he got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. This is actually a watch box that I bought my husband to store his nice watches in. And then I have the Lauren Conrad beauty book or style book on it because I just loved the pop of color that it brought in one of our engagements or bridal pictures. This little plant is fake. It came from Ikea. I think the plant was $5 and the pot was 50 cents. This other thing came from Hobby Lobby on clearance. This little pearl garland, I hope you can see it. I just feel like it's just so elegant and pretty. Came from Hobby Lobby, half off. It's in the wedding section. I think it would be so cute wrapped around some pictures in other homes or like other rooms. I actually have a black one in another room that I got from somewhere else that they don't carry that color at Hobby Lobby, but I'm sure you could probably find it on Amazon. These sconces are the perfect addition to our room. They came from Hobby Lobby, half off. And then these candles, they're actually fake. They have a battery on the bottom. Bought them at Walmart for $2.50 for two. And then this canvas, I bought it on clearance at Hobby Lobby. It was like $11, and it was the perfect color match for our bedroom. And then I go down here and I'll show you my cute rug. This is from Ross. I think I paid like $10 for it, but I love it with everything, all the detail, all the grays, the neutrals, the browns, the tan. And this table runner, I forgot, also from Ross, $10. I thought it pulled perfectly with our bedding. And this stool came from Ross. I actually use it when I get ready in the morning, or sometimes I'll pull it into my office when I need a stool. But that is my bedroom tour, you guys. I just want to tell you again and stress that you can get things for super cheap, and you can make it beautiful and make it your own. So if you have any other questions about where things came from or how to save more money, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.